Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center model VF2SS, serial number 1115622. This machine was new in 2014 and we are running it. So the machine has the Haas control with a 4th axis drive and wiring. You can plug a table in and do 4-axis work. Also, it has the whips with wireless intuitive programming system. Right? How many RPM? 3,000. It goes up to 12,000 RPM. It has a Cat 40 spindle. 5,000 RPM. 8,000 RPM. 11,000 RPM. Okay. Machine has 30 inches of X-axis travel, 16 of Y, 20 of Z. You have a 36 by 14 table with a 1,500-pound table capacity. We are simulating tool changes. You have a 24 capacity side mount ATC. He's running the X-axis. The Y. And the Z. You have telescopic weight covers for the X, Y, and Z axes as well. All right. Machine also does have a chip auger, and it has a Royal filter mist collector. All right. Hey, thank you for watching our video.